Hey kids, how are you all? Welcome back. Now, today we will continue. We will continue what we have studied yesterday. In mathematics, yesterday we have studied table of 2. Okay, I hope everybody now knows table of 2 and today we are going to do table of 3. Yes, table of 3. So are you all ready? Okay, so open page number 117 of your books and take a pencil in your hand. It's very simple. Okay, can you see here? Yes, we have to complete this table. The boxes are given here. In your book it is also given, isn't it? So what we have to do in this, we have to write the table of 3. Okay, so 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, then 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Suppose I will give you one example today. Like there are 3 stars and again there are 3 stars. Okay, so this is 1 times 3 and this is 2 times 3. Okay, so total is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the total? 6. So 2 times 3 means 6. Got it? Similarly, 3 times 3. 3 times 3. So it will be 9. Got it? Yes? Now next, 4 times 3. 4 times 3, that is 4 3s are 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12. Then next comes 5 times 3 or 5 into 3 is equals to 15. 1 5, 15. Got it? Then next comes 6 times 3 or 6 3s are. 6 times 3 or 6 3s are. So it will become 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay. 7 times 3 or 7 into 3 is equals to 21. 7 3s are or 3 7s are 21. Okay. Then comes 8 times 3 or 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are is 24. Then 9 times 3 or 9 3s are 3 9s are. Same answer. So it is 27. Clear? Now next is 10 times 3 or 10 3s are. 10 3s are 30. Simple? Okay, let's revise it once again. Okay. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27 and 10 3s are 30. Similarly, we can say it like this also. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Got it everyone? So you have to learn this table. This is very important. If you want to do the multiplication sums, Okay kids, now let's continue. Okay, now the next question given is write the answers using the table of 3. Now we have to do all these sums by using the table of 3. Very easy. Like yesterday we have done the skip counting of 2. Similarly, today we will do the skip counting of 3. That means we have to write the table of 3. Okay, in which 3 ones are 3 is already written. Okay, now let's come to the next block, that is 3 twos are, what will come? 3 twos are 6. So 6 will come. Got it? Then next is 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9, already written here. Already written in the book. So let's come to the next one now. That is 3 fours are. What is 3 fours are? It is 12. Okay, if you know the table, you will be able to do this in very fast. You will be able to do this. Okay, because if you know the table, it is very simple. Then 3 fives are 15. Got it? Then 3 six are 18. Got it? Then 3 sevens are, what will come? 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. And 3 tens are 30. Clear everyone? Okay, I hope this is very easy. Okay, now let's come. Next question is this. Yes, come on. Now let's read the question. Okay, the question is, a toy has 3 wheels. A toy means one toy. Okay, one toy has 3 wheels. Okay, then how many wheels? How many wheels do 4 such toys have? Got it? One toy is having 3 wheels. Now we have to find out for 4 toys. Now we have to find out for 4 toys. So how you will write? You will write horizontally in your books at the side. What we will do? We will multiply 3 into 4. 3 into 4. So 3 fours is 12. 3 fours are 12. So we got the answer. It is simple. Yes, the answer is 12 wheels. 12 wheels. Easy. Yes. Last question of this page. The question is find the product. The question is find the product. Very easy. You just have to, if you know the table of 3, you will be able to do all the sums. And see, this is called vertical multiplication. Okay. This is called vertical multiplication. I told you yesterday also. Okay. So now let's start. I told you 2 threes will also give you the same answer, and 3 twos will also give you the same answer. So 2 threes and 3 twos are same, and the answer is 6. Okay. Now come to the next one, that is 1 threes. Now 1 threes, 3 ones are 3. Okay, now come to the third one, that is 7 threes. So 7 threes is also 21. Okay, and 3 sevens is also 21. Got it? Okay. Then 6 threes. 6 threes is and 3 six same answer. The answer is 18. Okay kids, getting? Yes, it is easy. Yes. So now next one, that is 8 threes. 8 threes and 3 eights same, that is 24. 8 threes are 24, 3 eights are 24. Okay. Now, yes, very important. Again, I told you any number, if it is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. So, 0 threes are 0. Okay. So, we have completed page number 117. You also have to complete it in your book. Now, we will do table of 4. Okay. We have done table of 2, 3 and now it's time to do table of 4. Okay, so in your book, can you see this? Yes, it's written like this. Plus, there are some stars also made, and it is written if 1 times 4, 4, 2 times 4, 8. Okay, so if you will count those stars, same answer will come. Okay, for example, 1 4s are 4. Okay, then 2 times 4, that is 4 2s are 2 times 4. Okay, let's draw stars. See, I have drawn here 4 stars and here also I have drawn 4 stars. Okay, so this is 1 time 4 and this is 1 time 4. So this is total is 2 times 4 and 2 times 4, when I will add them I will get the answer 8. So 2 times 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, this is also given in the book also, isn't it? So same here. Now 3 4s are, that is 3 times 4, 4 3s are is 12. Then 4 times 4, 4 4s are 16. Clear? Yes. Then 5 times 4 or 4 5s are 20. Okay. Then 6 times 4 or 4 6 are 24. Clear? Then 7 times 4, 4 7s are 28. Yes. Then 8 times 4, 4 8s are 32. Then 9 times 4, 4 9s are 36. Okay. Then 10 times 4 and 4 10s are is 40. So here we have completed the table of 4. You have to learn it. Okay, it's very very important. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to the next question. Okay, after table of 4, we are doing this question, that is count by 4s. Same, we have to write the table of 4. Okay, so let's begin. 4 1s are 4. It is already written there. Okay, so next now we will come to 4 2s are. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. And 4 10s are is 40. Very easy. Yes? Very simple? Oh. Yes kids. The next question is a word problem. Let's read it. A chair has 4 legs. A chair means one chair. One chair has 4 legs. Okay. Chair has legs but chair cannot move, isn't it? It's a non-living thing. Yes. How many legs do 7 chairs have? Okay, now one chair has 4 legs and we have to find out for 7 chairs. So I told you when something is told about one chair and then we have to find out for more chairs, so we have to multiply. In that case, we have to multiply. So what we will do to find the answer, we will multiply 4 into 7 and we will get the answer 28. because 4 sevens is 28. Very easy. So the answer is 7 chairs has how many legs? 28 legs. Okay, 7 chairs has 28 legs. Very simple. Okay kids, now come to the last question. Okay, let's start. The question is find the product. Okay, 7 fours are. Yes, 7 fours are. Now you don't know the table of 7. So how you will do? You will do 4 sevens are. Okay, 4 sevens are 28. Write the answer 28. Then comes the next one, that is 1 fours are. So 4 ones are is 4. Done. After that it is 4 nines are. 4 nines are. It is 36. 4 nines are is 36. Okay, clear? Yes. Now come to the next question, that is 0 fours are. I told you any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. 0 fours are 0. Got it? Yes. Now next one, that is 4 eights are. 4 eights are, that is 32. The answer is 32. Okay. Now the next last one, it's a 2-digit multiplication that we will study later on. I will tell you. But before that, you can do this as it is very simple. So you can do it directly. 10 fours are is 40. 4 tens are 40. So directly you will write 40 here. Okay. Directly you will write 40. Okay kids. Finished? Yes. So now we have come to the end of today's maths work. So what you have to do? You have to learn the table of 3 and 4 and you have to do this pages, 2 pages, that is page number 117 and 118. Got it? Okay. Bye. Take care.